told your whole life, buy a Toyota, buy a Honda, they'll run forever. That is some of the most common and most dangerous advice in the car industry. And today, I'm going to prove it. Welcome to CARZMOOD. We're not talking about unreliable brands today. We're talking about something far more sinister. Famously reliable cars that are hiding a single, catastrophic, wallet-destroying flaw. These are the money pits disguised as smart purchases. This is the list of reliable cars you absolutely must avoid. First on the list is a car your parents probably owned. The Honda Accord V6 from 2003 to 2007. The engine? Bulletproof. The car itself? Comfortable and well-made. The automatic transmission? A grenade made of glass. For some reason, Honda, the king of reliability, built one of the worst automatic transmissions in history and put it in their best-selling car. It will fail. Not maybe, it will. It's a $4,000 repair that instantly makes the car worthless. If you want a Honda from this era, get the 4-cylinder model. The transmission is much stronger. Number 2, the king of trucks, the first-generation Toyota Tundra. These trucks are famous for their million-mile V8 engines. But what good is a perfect engine when the frame it's sitting on snaps in two? For years, these trucks were built with frames that had inadequate rust protection. In states with snow and salt, they would rust from the inside out, becoming catastrophically unsafe. Toyota issued a massive recall, but many of these trucks are still out there, hiding a dangerously rotten frame under a shiny body. Third is the go-to car for outdoor enthusiasts, the Subaru Outback and Forester with the 2.5-liter non-turbo engine from the early 2000s to around 2011. These cars are brilliant until they aren't. They are world famous for blowing head gaskets. It's not a rare problem, it's practically a scheduled maintenance item. It's a complex and expensive job, often costing between $3,000 and $4,000. It's a shame, because the rest of the car is fantastic, but this single point of failure makes it a massive gamble. Fourth is the original luxury crossover, the Lexus RX 350 from 2007 to 2009. It's a Lexus, the benchmark for quality, but it's hiding a dirty secret, a rubber oil cooler line that is guaranteed to burst. When it does, all the engine oil is pumped out onto the ground in less than a minute. If you don't shut the engine off immediately, it is completely destroyed. It's a $10 rubber hose that can cause a $10,000 engine failure. It's a ticking bomb that many owners don't know exists until it's too late. Fifth on the list, a workhorse for millions, the Ford F-150 with the 5.4-liter 3-valve Triton engine. This engine powered the best-selling vehicle in America for years, but it has a fatal flaw with its cam phasers. The system that adjusts the engine's timing is incredibly fragile. It fails, causing a loud ticking sound, loss of power, and eventually engine failure. It's a complex, labor-intensive repair that many mechanics won't even touch, and it turned thousands of reliable work trucks into scrap metal. Number 6, a fuel-efficient commuter, the Prius from 2010 to 2015. The engine is solid, the transmission is bulletproof. The hybrid battery, not so much. As these cars age, the massive and complex hybrid battery pack begins to fail. Replacing it at a dealership can cost over $4,000. While there are cheaper aftermarket solutions now, it's still a massive, unexpected expense that can turn a cheap, fuel-efficient car into a very expensive headache. Number 7 is the infamous strawberry milkshake of death. It happens in the Nissan Pathfinder and Xterra from 2005 to 2010. The problem is a design flaw inside the radiator. The transmission fluid cooler is built inside the same radiator as the engine coolant. When the cheap internal barrier fails, coolant floods the transmission. The result is a sludgy, pink mixture that looks like a strawberry milkshake and completely destroys your transmission. It's a $6,000 failure caused by a simple leak. It's a devastatingly common problem that makes these otherwise rugged SUVs a huge risk. Eighth is the oil vanisher. Certain Audis and Volkswagens with the early 2.0T engine from roughly 2009 to 2012. These engines were notorious for consuming an insane amount of oil, sometimes as much as a quart every 1,000 miles. The cause was faulty piston rings that allowed oil to seep past and burn up. If an owner didn't check their oil constantly, the engine would run dry and seize, resulting in a total engine replacement. The issue was so bad, it led to a massive class action lawsuit. A luxury car that you have to top off with oil every other time you get gas is not luxury, it's a liability. Number 9 is the family hauler heartbreak, the Honda Odyssey, particularly from 2002 to 2004. Just like its cousin, the Accord V6, this generation of Honda's beloved minivan was fitted with an automatic transmission made of chocolate. Under the strain of hauling a family and their gear, these transmissions would overheat and fail, catastrophically. The minivan you bought to keep your family safe could suddenly leave them stranded on the side of the highway. For a reliable minivan, the Toyota Sienna has always been the much safer bet. And finally, at number 10, the truck that's famous for folding in half, the Toyota Tacoma. Before 2010, the Tacoma, like the Tundra, suffered from severe frame rust. It was so bad that Toyota had to buy back thousands of trucks and replace the frames on thousands more under a massive warranty extension. The problem is that many trucks are still out there that never got the fix. A truck that looks perfectly clean on top could be hiding a frame that's one big pothole away from snapping. It's the ultimate betrayal from a brand known for being indestructible. The Honda Accord, the Toyota Tundra, the Subaru Outback, the Tacoma, these are cars you've been told to buy with confidence, and that's what makes them so dangerous. A brand's reputation means nothing if the specific model you're buying has a catastrophic flaw. The model, the year, and the engine matter more than the badge on the grille. Always do your research. If this video opened your eyes and potentially saved you from a financial nightmare, do us a favor and smash that like button, and subscribe to CARZMOOD for more of the hard truth. Now, I want to hear your story. What's a reliable car that gave you a terrible experience? Let everyone know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.